In this video, I will guide you how to insert estimated symbol in Word document like this one. The estimated symbol is used to show that the quantity of a product, either in a weight or volume, is approximately but legally compliant with European Union regulations. It tells consumers that although the exact amount may vary slightly, but average quantity meets European Union standards. This symbol is commonly seen on food packaging, bottles, and consumer goods sold in Europe and helps ensure fair trade and consumer trust. So let's get started. So, first you need to click on the insert, go to the symbol, click on more symbol. In the font section, you need to select the normal text, and in the subsect, you need to select the letters like symbols. Now find it, and here it is. Just select it, click on insert, close it, and here it is. Another way is that type 212E and press Alt X all together, and here it is. Another way is that go to the search icon on the bottom of the screen, type corrector map, click on that. In the font section, you need to select the Times New Roman, and in the search, you need to type estimated and click search, and your cursor will be moved to the estimated symbol. Select it and copy and close, and now Control V to paste it. So with these three methods, you can easily insert estimated symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.